Question 7. A driver's knowledge test contains 30 multiple choice questions, each with 4 options. An applicant must get at least 29 correct to pass. If an applicant correctly answers the first 25 questions and randomly guesses the last 5 questions, what is the probability that the applicant will pass the test? In the last 5 questions of this 30-question test, in other words, questions 26 to 30 inclusive, the applicant must get either 4 or 5 correct. In other words, no more than 1 mistake can be made in those last 5 questions in order to pass the entire test. Now we know that the first 25 questions were answered correctly, so we don't need to worry about those. We only need to concern ourselves with the last 5, and they're answered randomly. Now, since there are 4 options, the probability of answering any one of questions 26 to 30 correctly is 1/4. The complement of 1/4 is 3/4, so the probability of making a mistake is 3/4. We have 2 possibilities to consider. Either the applicant gets all 5 correct, and the probability of that occurring is 1/4 to the power of 5, or the applicant makes 1 mistake in any one of these 5 questions. So the probability of getting exactly 4 correct is 1/4 to the power of 4 times 3/4 to the power of 1. So this is the probability of making a mistake. And this can occur 5 choose 1 different ways. If you consider this dash diagram, the X represents an incorrect or a mistake made. This X can be in any one of these 5 spaces. So adding these 2 probabilities together gives us the probability that the applicant will pass this test. So the probability of 5 correct plus the probability of 4 correct is equal to 1/64. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.